how to use Dream Face AI application. So if you want to use the AI video generator, which is Dream Face app, then first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to go with your Play Store, and here you need to search for Dream Face AI. After searching, you will have this application, so make sure to install this application. And after installing the application, you need to tap on Open, and it will launch the application, right? So you need to go with Agree to the terms of services, which is on the bottom, and then tap on Try My Photo and go with Access, or you can also choose the photo from here. So select the photo, make sure the face is detected, and then tap on Animate. And after that, it might take a few seconds to animate, and you will have the AI video. That's how you can use it. Or you can also just simply go with the pet video. You'll have all of these options here on the middle of your screen. You can go with pet video, you can go with avatar motion, or image to video, or text to video, or AI filter, enhance HD, news, e-commerce, and you can also do prank, cartoon, smile, beauty, face swap, cosplay, Tika, and everything. So as you can scroll down, you can see that you will have all of these options. You can just simply go with any option that you are comfortable with, or tap on any template, and you can go with the plus, which is on the bottom left. Tap on choose your avatar, select the image. After selecting the image, you need to tap on animate, which is on the bottom. And after that, you need to just zoom it, and you need to mask the face manually. And after that, go with confirm, and it will reconstruct. So just wait for a few seconds, and that's it. As you can see that the AI has generated the voice. That's how you can use your Dream Face app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.